Good morning, my dear students. Myself Surya Chandan Sahu. I'm going to give you a fundamental knowledge on basic electrical engineering, whether you are diploma or degree students. If you like this video, you may kindly share and press the bell icon. So, although this is the era of computer engineering, nevertheless, we cannot omit electrical engineering. You should have a basic knowledge of electrical engineering, whether you are in any stream of engineering. So in basic electrical, first comes resistance, inductance, capacitance, voltage, current, frequency. These terms always comes in electrical engineering. So what is resistance? Resistance is nothing but which opposes the flow of current. Like for an example, you are driving a car in the road at a constant speed. When humps comes in front of you, you have to slow down your vehicle. That means you restricts the flow of your speed of your bike or vehicle. Similarly, when current flows in the circuit, if there is resistance, the flow of current reduces or the flow of current restricted. That's why, like humps in the circuit, the resistance symbol is like this structure, and it is represented by this symbol ohm. Next, the term comes inductance. This inductance is represented by coil-like structure. What the function of this inductance? Which delays the flow of current. That means it delays. What does it mean, delays the flow of current? That means it delays the rate of flow of current. It delays. So that's why we can write V, the voltage across the inductance is L di by dt. That means it is round shape structure, means the current does not directly flows from one point to another, rather it is moving like this. It delays the flow of current. Next the term comes, and its unit is Henry. Next the term comes capacitance. Capacitance is a plate, one part having positive plate, another is negative plate, and a medium is there. This medium, if there is no medium, this plus minus will be dead short circuit. So there must be a medium or a dielectric between these two plates to insulate these two plates, and capacitance is used to restrict the change in voltage, that is I is equals to C dV by dt, and the unit of capacitance is farad. So next comes the term that is voltage. So voltage has two symbols, this is one and this is another. This is for DC voltage and this is for AC. So DC and AC, what is the, we are having two type of supply, that is DC supply and AC supply. In DC supply, voltage and current does not change with respect to time, but in case of AC, the voltage and current changes with respect to time. So AC has frequency, in Indian standard AC has frequency is equals to 50 Hz, and current flows from higher terminal to always lower terminal. Like water flows from higher level to lower level, similarly current flows from higher terminal to lower terminal. Next, the capacitance. There is an interesting thing I am going to explain you about inductance and capacitance. So this is the inductance of the circuit and this inductance across voltage across this inductance is written as L di by dt. So this inductance rate of change of current takes place. So if this applies to a DC, in DC the change in current is there is no change in current, so that's why voltage is zero. It will behave as a short circuit. The inductance will behave as a short circuit in DC, or we can say inductance initially behaves as open. It will initially behave as open, and finally it will behave as at infinity. Finally means at infinity it will behave as short circuit. This is an interesting thing in case of inductance. Similarly, in case of capacitance, suppose this is a capacitor, two plates, this is positive, this is negative plate. When voltage is applied, a negative voltage developed in the plate. Suppose in positive plate a negative, and in negative place a positive charge is developed. So capacitor initially behaves as short. Initially it will behave as short. When total voltage develops, finally at infinity